Ma'am, leave this. If Grandma sees you working, we will be scolded.
Diya, leave it, please. I'll do it. You will hurt your hand.
Yes.
Leave it, please. Please stop.
I won't get hurt. You know, when we used to do our prayer at home, we used to make coconut sweets. And we used to get a lot of coconuts for that. My mother used to give me those coconuts to peel. I used to play badminton, so she used to say that your hands must be very strong. So she used to tell me to do this.
What's going on?
Deepika, see this, Deepika. We have been telling her to stop. Yes, but she is not listening to us.
Diya, what are you doing? Leave it. Diya, what are you doing? You'll hurt yourself. Leave it. You know there are so many guests. If anyone sees you, they'll gossip about it. Leave it.
Nothing will happen to me. It's done.
And if Dad gets to know about this, we will be done for. Leave it, Diya, please.
No, Deepika, let her do it.
What are you saying,
No,
Arjun?
Deepika. If she does this work, she won't have time for a workout. Right? That's why she's peeling coconuts. This way she'll help you and then do a workout as well. Right? Dear, after you do this, just meet me for a while.
Why?
Why? No, I mean you're fond of doing prayers, so I have a special work for you, that's why. And now you want to miss the training by making an excuse of the prayer.
Deepika, look at him. He's taunting me as if I don't train. I'm doing this work along with my training. I'm working twice hard. That is why he's taunting me instead of appreciating me. Tell me, Deepika, can a person not enjoy?
Yes, you're right. Right, Arjun?
You're absolutely wrong. And you, when you're done with this, meet me. I'll show you what's enjoyment. I have something very nice for you. You'll enjoy it a
Arjun.
lot.
Deepika, you too.
Diya, Arjun was just teasing you. He's very mischievous. You know, Diya, I'm seeing Arjun like this after many years. Only because of you. Otherwise, he was lost somewhere. Every year on this festival, the three brothers and Dad, they used to do traditional dance. What a sight it used to be.
Deepika, don't worry. Old days will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Ashtami. You will get to see the old Arjun, whom you all miss. And our Lord is there to help us. Arjun went to bring the Lord's idol. Similarly, he will take part in the prayer too.
Listen,
Yes,
I think we will not be able to do this right now. There are a lot of people here.
you are right. If someone recognizes that we are Karan Mathu's men, there will be a big problem. Do one thing.
What?
Look for the main switch. We will switch it off before it's dark. I'll take care of the rest.
Who are you guys? I saw you two together during the prayer. You went out of the house and you were in the front of the kitchen. Were you looking for something?
Yes, I was thirsty. We are from Suman Generator House. Didn't you hire 3 generators for the prayer?
Yeah. Suman Generator House. Correct. Why are you eating here? Sit inside comfortably, huh? It's going to be a busy day, you know. Please come in. Okay.
Before someone becomes suspicious of us, look for the main switch. We have to deal with Diya in the evening.
It will be done.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gupta. You informed me at the right time. Actually, the camp is scheduled just after the Durga prayers. Yes, definitely, I'll talk to Diya. Thank you.
Who was on the call?
You! It was Dr. Gupta's call. He was talking about your diet chart. There's something important I need to discuss.
Arjun, please. I won't follow any diet chart now. I've already lost a lot of weight. Not during the prayer. No way.
Hey, listen to me. You don't need to lose weight, but gain weight.
I have to gain weight? What? I have to gain weight?
Yes, you have to gain weight. Dr. Gupta said that you need to gain a kg for the camp, so you're underweight.
Arjun, don't worry about that. Don't worry. I will gain weight in no time. And I'll gain 5 kg, not 1 kg. Very easily. I mean, Arjun, can I have sweets now? Can I?
Sweets. I think you can have sweets, but only maybe one sweet. Only one. There are other things also that you can eat. The other things too. Many.
Really?
Many other, really.
What else can I eat?
For breakfast, you can have 2 dates, 5 almonds, and a glass of milk.
I don't like dates at all.
What did I say you would eat?
2 dates, 5 almonds, and a glass of milk.
Good girl. Good. Now, I have something important to discuss with you after Ashtami. Till then, let's take care of your health, diet, and training. And for the prayer, don't.
Yes, dear. Yes, dear. I promise I won't ignore anything.
Good.
Okay? But you have to do as I say to.
Really? Give and take.
First, promise me that you will listen to me.
Look, if it's not about my drinks and your training, then tell me. Otherwise, let it be.
Okay? Change your clothes.
Why?
You wore ethnic clothes yesterday on that festival. Why didn't you wear them today? I mean, you looked good.
What do you mean by that? I wanted to wear them yesterday. I don't want to wear them today.
Okay. You wanted to wear, or do you like to wear traditional clothes on prayer?
Look, don't act smart with me, okay? How does it matter to you what I wear?
Oh no, you got angry again? You're so short-tempered. Okay, forget all this. Come here, take a look. Hurry up.
What are these?
These are gifts.
Gifts.
Yes.
What for?
If you can bring saris for me, can't I buy things for you? It's prayer festival. That is why I got gifts for you. Wait, I'll show you. Look, wear this to the prayer in the evening. Isn't it nice? And this one, wear this tomorrow morning to Ashtami Anjali. And this one is my favorite. You wear this for the festival dance.
Who told you? Who told you that I'm going to participate in today's prayer or Dhanuchi dance? Did I ask you to buy clothes for me? Did I ask you? Listen.
You didn't. But Arjun, if you come, everyone will be happy. They'll be happy to see you.
Listen, don't teach me, okay? My family knows how to stay happy. I didn't participate in the prayer for many years, but they were happy. And even if I participate in this, they won't be beside themselves with happiness.
Arjun, please attend the prayer this time.
What do you mean by your behest? What do you mean? Do you think you can make me dance to your tunes? You're mistaken. I won't listen to anything you say. You're mistaken. Please clear this misunderstanding of yours. I won't listen to everything you say. I brought the idol at your behest, but it doesn't mean I'm going to attend the Durga prayer too.
I thought Arjun would definitely attend this prayer at Diya's behest. I'm glad that Arjun is still the same. I have to tell this to Tina honey.
Diya, I've told you this before, and again I'm repeating myself. Stop trying to be a good wife and a good daughter-in-law. And focus on badminton, because the family members won't help you during the match, but badminton will. Do you understand what I'm saying? And one more thing. One very important thing. Don't ask me to attend the prayer again.
I won't. Because this time you will yourself come to worship the Lord.
Did I make a mistake by sending my men there? When they hold such an event, there is tight security at Agarwal Mansion. If anyone recognizes them, there'll be a huge problem.
Hurry up, hurry up. Who's calling me now? It's Karan sir's call.
Answer it.
Hello?
Hello. Listen, cancel the plan and come back.
Sir, we have said everything. Why cancel the plan?
Because today there will be tight security at Agarwal Mansion. If anyone recognizes you, I will be in trouble. I can't take a risk. I want you two to come back.
Sir, don't worry. We have said everything here. It's a foolproof plan. We'll turn off the main switch as soon as it gets dark. After that, I will teach Dia such a lesson that she and her husband will never dare to play badminton again. We'll break Dia's legs.
Okay. If you succeed in doing this, I will double the amount I promised. But in case your plan fails, I don't know you. Remember that.
Grandma, offerings for you.
Deepika,
What happened?
come with me. Come here.
But what happened?
Grandma, Deepika, I have an excellent idea.
Idea?
Yes. An idea to make Arjun a part of the prayer.
Really?
Yes. But for that, I need your help.
Dia, there's no use of this. We have tried everything. Arjun won't attend the prayers, I know it.
At least hear her idea. Tell us about it.
Deepika, sit.
But Dia...
Sit and hear my idea, okay? Look, Niharika and Kush are not at home, so we cannot include them in our plan. So the other family members have to execute this plan.
But Dia, what's the plan? Tell us. Why are you creating such a suspense? Tell me.
Yes, Deepika, I'm telling you. So the plan is that when the evening prayer will begin, then we will...
Impossible.
Hey!
I don't think Arjun will attend the prayer. And if he finds out about our plan, he will create a huge scene. No. Bad idea.
Why do you always say no like this? Why are you so scared? Nothing will happen.
But Grandma...
Look, I know one thing for sure. Arjun still believes in Almighty. I just love this idea.
Grandmom, the plan is really good. But how we will convince Mom, Dad and Love to support us in this plan?
Don't worry about that. Amitabh and Love don't have time. And as for Madhuri, I will handle her.
Fine then. We are doing this.
Done.
Deepika?
Done.
So let's start, okay?
Grandma! The first step is yours. You will convince Mom. Go.
Oh, I forgot.
What do you mean by we won't go? Why won't we attend the evening prayer?
Because this is the plan.
Wait a minute, Mom. Wait a minute. I don't get it. Which plan?
Diya's plan to get Arjun to attend the prayer. I heard patiently through her plan. If that plan works, I'm sure Arjun will attend every prayer.
Oh, really? That's good news.
Tina, you're here at the right time. Come on, come on.
Exactly, Grandma. I think I missed a lot in just one day.
You missed nothing. Today you will have lots of fun. Arjun will attend the prayer with us. Madhuri, what are you thinking? I have implicit faith in Diya. She sent Arjun to bring the idol home. In the same way, she will bring him for the prayer as well. Trust her.
Trust. I don't have that. But if she can get Arjun to attend the prayer, then it will be great. Who will be happier than me?
I'm sure that'll happen. Diya is 1 in a million. We need to realize her true value. Okay, listen. Keep one thing in mind. No one should go out for the ritual until Diya calls us. The priest will be alone at the temple and he will make the arrangements. Okay? I'll be right back.
Did you see that, Auntie? Diya is doing so much for everyone in this family. Especially for you. Now Arjun will attend the prayer after so many years. That will make you happy the most. Now when Diya is making so many efforts, I'm sure you will accept her somehow. With badminton?
Never. I can never accept Diya wholeheartedly along with badminton. Everyone has seen this. She does not want to quit badminton and try to be my daughter-in-law. But I think Arjun's happiness matters to her. That's why she wants to bring him to the prayer. Perhaps. Let's see what happens now.
What will happen? When your son finds out about this plan, he will be furious. And I know how to make people angry. All I want is that Arjun gets to know about this. But how? If I tell Arjun about it, Diya will definitely doubt me. Diya, listen, I have explained everything to the priest, okay?
Okay, I'll take care of that. Greetings. Actually, the arrangements for the prayer are not yet done. So, until the priest make the arrangements, can you please wait in the garden? And as soon as the arrangements are made, I will call you. So, please.
Hello. Listen, I think we will have to wait outside for a while. Wait there, near the main switch.
Diya,
Deepika, tell Banno to arrange all the food for the guests outside. We will tell her not to let anyone come inside. We have to stop everyone outside to get Arjun to come here.
okay. I'll tell Banno to arrange everything. It's important for Arjun to know this. But how? How do I tell him this? Oh no. And Niharika is impossible. Why did she go out today? I told her I think...
Tina? Oh, you're back?
Yeah, Diya, hi. Yeah, I just reached. And as soon as I reached here, I heard Arjun would be a part of the prayer. What's the plan?
Tina, talk softly, please. His ears are too sharp. He will hear everything. Talk softly.
Oh, okay. I'll be right back. Okay, I'll just come.
Tina, wait. Where are you going? Wait.
Why? Do you need my help?
I think we should be together until the prayer starts so that Arjun finds none of us.
Oh, well, okay.
So let's go.
Darn it. Where am I stuck? How will I get Arjun to know this?
Hey, where is everyone? It's time for the prayer to start. No one is here to light the lamps.
Oh God. Diya makes such lame plans. They think Arjun will fall into their trap. He's not so foolish.
Grandma, where is everyone? Where is Mom? You told her about the plan, right?
Yes, I told Madhuri everything. And Amitabh and Love are busy with their office work. Besides, they won't come here before the ritual begins.
It's really surprising. I don't see any family member around. Will I light these lamps all alone? What kind of people are they? Who leaves the prayer this way? Is anyone there?
Grandma, the priest seems quite angry.
Yes, he looks very angry. Oh Lord, please forgive me for making the priest angry. I'm so sorry, sir.
This girl has made this family melodramatic just like herself. She can beat Niharika if it's about doing drama. Diya, are you sure Arjun will come here?
Yes, Deepika. As far as I know Arjun, he avoids to be at home during this time. He goes out for a walk during the Aarti, and it's the time for Aarti to start. If Arjun goes out for a walk, he will have to pass from here.